Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys a trick to catching turkeys easier in the fish giving event in Fisch. Basically, you'll need the insect bait, and I'm using the ethereal prism rod. This is the enchantment I use on it, quality. So make sure your rod has a lot of luck as well. Fish at night and fish when there's the Aurora. I just caught 3 turkeys. I don't know about now. It's not a turkey, but hold on. Just give me a minute, okay? But make sure you have it on perfect. Well, at least try to. And when it's 60%, that means you have caught a turkey. As you can see right now, I'm trying to get it. Sorry, I don't know fishing terms, so I don't really know how to explain it. Oh, I got the sunny turkey. But yeah, you're just going to want to do that at night and when there's an aurora, and use the insect bait for it. And yeah, that's pretty much it. You can just get your turkeys here. You don't have to go around and stuff like that. And when it's 60%, then you'll know it's a turkey. So that is not a turkey. Let me fish for one more and see if I got one more. Okay, perfect. And that is it for this video. Again, use the insect bait. It actually worked better if I used it. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!